My comment is that because it's an honor being mentioned, and perhaps really hypocritical to say that we don't consider it, we don't think about it. But really, I really think that masyado pang maaga at this point in time to think about it. We have to focus on a lot of issues, ENG, EMP, time. Ano man mangyari, mangyayari naman yan, mangyayari.
When have you started thinking about it? Having you know,
So once in a while, it passes your mind, you read those big newspapers, investing not to be overtaken by it, or let your agenda be controlled by it. And focus on your job right now. But I have a mandate from the President, of the trust of the President, to be the mission of the department, and I'm going to fulfill that 100% of my time.
Presidente ba sa kayo, we talk about it kung passing, kahit yung passing lang.
How about any groups and political groups?
No.
Are you preparing for it?
No, not at this point in time.
Ayun. Sabi ka, ma'am, would you support your husband?
Of course, 100%. I've come this far na. Definitely.
Political machinery, prepared naman kayo. It's in case, sir, in case. Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Sinong gusto niyo maging vice president?
Alam niyo, silent is golden talaga. Silent
No,
is
that
golden.
will come when it comes, if it comes.
Wala pa talaga serious talk. I mean,
Wala.
walang kahit sino from the palace.
Ang isang beast ko nga nagsabi, masyado maaga ngayon.
So you think it's worse?
Yeah, I think it's too early. I think it is too early.
Why?
In my position, it's really too early because I have a lot to do in the department. But for other people, they're free to plan whatever they want. It's a legitimate political objective or goal for other people. To each his own. But for me, it's too early.
There's some people say there's one of your assets is your wife. You have tried wallet it out.
Well, I'm really happy to hear that. Like my wife always supports me.
When the right time comes, prepared ka naman sa ganun.
Mangyayari na lang yan kung mangyayari talaga. Even in our first running in Congress in 1998, basta nangyari na lang.
So is it even in your plan, sir? A run for the presidency?
No, not as of this time.
Yes, sir.
As of this time. But who knows in the future?
Sir, the NPC block, do they have a candidate already?
I don't know.
We don't talk about it.
How about yung buwang ko family? Hindi nyo na pag-uusapan ng mga kayo ng dalawa ng wife. Pag-uusapan nyo.
Sa amin na lang yun. Ikaw naman, Diyos.
No,
Sir, what do you think of era planning in 2000?
Well, for me, first, the Constitution says that one person will serve as president, not eligible to run for any re-election. To me, that's clear. One, you're elected as president, you serve no matter how short. You're not eligible. Secondly, the philosophy of this Constitution, which I don't agree with, but it is the Constitution, is that once you have served, that's it. I guess by agreeing to run under this Constitution, you agree also to be bound by the fact that you can't run anymore.
Sir,
But maybe other people might have other legal opinions. So, that's
sir, defense matters naman. Do you see any more threats from the rightists this year?
there may be even a remote possibility where the armed forces, according to them, are watching out for it. Of course, there is that possibility.
Pero walang imminent threat, sir.
Right now, as far as I can see, not. But, information just crops up suddenly. Things like this are really done below ground level, and it's hard to get credible information on it.
Certification was the basis of those statements that there could be
Well, I believe it's an assessment for intelligence.
So you're in receipt of such intelligence information.
Just the general assessment. The actual details are not.
Paano yung takbo ng general information na nalilito?
But there's a possibility that there may be destabilization by various
Yan ba yung parang February daw? Yung time sa retirement this year?
not in general, not specifically. Not specifically.
Sir, yung threat is from within the ranks.
No, from political groups.
Trying to agitate lang parang yun.
So, is this the same people behind yung November 29 and yung the past uprising?
Right now, there's still an investigation as to who are really behind the November 29. So it's hard to say.
Sir, sa tingin mo ba warranted yung talk na dapat may extend yung term ni General Esperon as Chief of Staff?
To me, the point is the president has the duty and the obligation to make that call. She has the power to make that call. And it's up to her. The Constitution vests that obligation on her solely, nobody else, without any qualifications or restrictions. So it's just but fair to leave that decision solely to the president and accept another decision.
But has she sought your advice or have you made any recommendation to her?
But what if she asks for your recommendation?
Would you be for me to give for her to hear?
Pero sir, wala bang kaso na magpalit ng leadership ng AFP at this time, sir, given na may ganong threats pa from agitators?
To me, I think threats from agitators or any other extra-legal threat should not be a basis for making a judgment. I think there's broader factors that are involved insofar as the president's decision-making concerned.